Okay, so we're going to have a look at a loan schedule where an alteration is going to be made to it part the way through the term in which we're borrowing. Okay, so I've got four kind of different scenarios of different types of alteration that can happen. So in this example here, Charlotte's borrowed £30,000, level payments at the end of each year for 10 years. After year number 5, she's decided to ask the bank to extend it for 3 years. So that would make her payments slightly cheaper for the rest of the term, and it gives her slightly longer to pay it back, an affordability thing. Okay, so we're going to have to make a little alteration to this spreadsheet to allow us to do that. Okay, so that's why we've got a wee box here for revised payment, because the payment is going to change after year number 5. Okay. So what's happening is we're going for 3 more years. So I want to go 10, 11, 12, 13. I want 3 more years worth of rows here. So I'm just going to fill series, going in ones, so 11, 12 and 13. Okay. After year number 5, I'm not going to be looking for this payment anymore. I'm going to be looking for this one. Okay, so I'm going to take that formula out. I'm going to put equals and D8 because that's where I'm going to pick that up from. I make that absolute because that's going to stay the same for the remainder of the term. So that's going to go down to year 13. Okay, everything else in the formula in the spreadsheet is absolutely fine. Okay, for me to work out this interest content, I'm still going to take my percentage, so D4, and multiply it by this one here, F17. So this formula is absolutely fine. It's been filled down all the way. So I'm just going to take that down to year 13. This formula is going to be the same. My repayment, take away my interest to give me my capital. So that's fine. And then this is my capital, take away my paid capital from the year before. So those are all fine. Okay, so obviously this is looking a little bit dodgy because we're not making payments here. That's why we've got negative capital and it's being added on. So now we want to go and perform goal seek. So we're going to go to data, what if analysis, and goal seek. So I'm still going to set this bottom left hand, right hand one to be 0 because I want that to not have a value at the end of the payment. But this time we're changing this cell here, the one that I've left blank, to be my revised payment. Okay, hit return, and it reevaluates that. So for the rest of the term, I will be paying, or rather Charlotte will be paying, £2,523.29.